ലാസ്റ്റ് ബോൾ വഴിയാവോ വിക്കറ്റ് മേടിക്കോളൂ സാർ ഇവരെ എടാ അവനൊന്നും ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല, അവൻ ബോൾ ചുമ്മാ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇട്ട് തരുന്നു അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. അടിക്കരുത് അടിക്കരുത്, സിംഗിളിന് ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ ഇതുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ വേറെ കാര്യമുണ്ട്, അവിടെ 2 ഗ്യാപ്പുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പം അതുപോലൊരു ബോൾ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റമ്പിന് വെളി വിടുവാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവിക്കിരിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലം കണ്ടോ, അവിടോട്ട് വേണേൽ ഒരെണ്ണം കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, പക്ഷെ അതിനുവേണ്ടി നിന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പണിയുവാ. പിന്നെ ഇവൻ്റെ വലിയ പേസ് ഇല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് എഡ്ജ് പോയാൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ കീപ്പറിൻ്റെ കൈ പോയി. അതിന് മിടുക്കനാത്തില്ല, അവന് പവറുണ്ട്. You know what I said to Prajul? Your job is to protect Narayan.
Throw! Guys, there is no single there. Come on. Guys are there to cut off singles. Come on. Lovely Ashwin. Bowling guys, good stuff.
3 to come.
Nice one, Ashwin. What a ball. It just took off. Come on. Lovely length, Ashwin. Shinana. Come on, guys, come on. ನೋಡು ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಅನ್ನಿ ಒನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. Come on.
ഇല്ല. One to come. Yeah.
Keep it up. Give it to me, Rijaz. Not ready. Catch. He touched I guess, huh?
No, he didn't touch. Chimile.
ಓಡಿತದು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
No, his bat was in the ground. He never touched the ball. Yeah, it was far away. Yeah.
Trying to nick.
Come on, guys, come on. No. Keep it there, Rijaz.
Go. No problem. Okay. Sorry.
ಬಾಳ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
I didn't realize your noise. Rijaz, yeah. Stay there.
It's your fault. ತುಂಬಾ 3 ರನ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಓವರ್.
പ്രജല എൻ്റെ സൈഡിലൊക്കെ ഇപ്പം ഇതുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. എൻ്റെ ഇവിടൊക്കെ ഒന്നോടാമെന്ന്, എൻ്റെ ഈ ഞാൻ നിൽക്കുന്നിടത്തൊക്കെ.
I'm not doing properly today. What happened?
I need to tell them to make drinks, you know. All lazy buggers are sitting there.
Catch!
Two, go.
Keeper!
അരുണേ മോനെ ആരോടെങ്കിലും ഡ്രിങ്ക്സ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറയാമോ? ഡ്രിങ്ക്സ് അതില നീ പോകേണ്ടി വരും.
Nice one. Keep the ball in your hand. Come on, guys.
So did you put the car in the garage? No. Did you sort out the problems? No.
Yeah, I spent $1,000.
Really? Now the car is tipped off though.
But still, I have to change tires.
Tires.
3
I'll
tires
tell
I
you.
change.
You know what? Because this is good for you. Insurance wise, you can use that car 3 years without any problem. ഒരു 3 വർഷം അത് യൂസ് பண்ண വേണം.
We'll have to see.
No, the car will be fine, trust me. That's one of the most reliable Nissan cars.
Yeah. On whatever got rights on top of it, I already spent 1,000 plus another 500 pounds for the tires.
Try, there is a tire shop in Musselburgh. Okay. 2 or 3? 2. Okay. I don't know. I think it's 3. Okay.
Ask the scorers.
Water.
Moran. Is there one to come?
No.
Attack like that. That's all, guys. See, we could have controlled this. Avoided 3 singles that time. We are attacked. This is good stuff.
മതി, വേറെ നടക്കണ്ട.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Am I water boy? No, even the opposition, you batting. It's like 5 people sharing this water now.
Guys, come on. 1 wicket here will open.
ബോൾ കാണാൻ തുടങ്ങി. ഇനി മണ്ടത്തരം ചെയ്യാതിരുന്നാൽ മതി. ഇപ്പം ബസ്സിൻ്റെ തന്നെ 2 ബോൾ കണ്ടില്ലേ? അത് മതി. ചില സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ ക്യാരി ഓൺ ആവും.
അടിക്കാൻ തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ?
ഇതാണ് ഈ പിച്ചിൽ അവർക്ക് തോന്നണ്ട. ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ എണ്ണ. Oh yes.
Man, it is not division 4.
Yes, that's definitely right, bro. He's leg stand.
It is unfair.
Ashwin, it's leg stand.
It's not. It's. I can
He's
check the
taking
camera
leg
and
stand.
let you know.
Yes.
It's not leg side. Okay.
Yes.
You have to be fair.
Yes.
If you want to win like this, it's not.
No. I was fair to all your bowlers, okay? I know what I'm doing, Ashwin.
Leave it on the stumps, Ash. It's all right.
Okay? I know what I'm doing, okay? No. I know what I'm doing, okay? So you bowl.
It's all right. Keep it on the stumps.
Girish bhai, where are you? Run.
Cry baby. We'll bring a lollipop next time for you.
Easy guys, easy. Unlucky guys, come on. Not being bowled out and done.
It's okay. Come on, Ash.
Come on guys, come on Ashwin.
Hey.
Super, Naren.
Nice job, good stuff Naren.
Good job, Narayan.
Come on guys, easy.
Come on, Ash. Your wicket.
Put it in there, wicket. Come on guys, come on Ashwin, come on me. Aram se. That's it. Easy, guys.
That's it, Venkat.
What's up, guys? Come on, guys. Come on, Ashmi. Come on, me. What's up, guys? It's okay. It's okay, Ashwin. छोड़ दो. It's okay. Don't worry. बिड़ी.
Okay, keep it on off. Keep it on off. Keep it on the stump. Keep it on the stump. It's all right.
Narayan, it's not wide.
This
Narayan,
one is not right. This is okay.
it's not wide, Narayan. Wait. Is it a wide?
This one is okay. No, don't go. It's okay.
Don't bounce left side. Come on.
First one is not wide, but yeah.
Okay, go. Come on.
Even Narayan agreed for that.
He'll bring you a lollipop, dude.
You can keep it. Yeah. You can suck it up.
I'll feed you.
Yeah, you can suck it up. Okay.
I think you are better outside. Why are you standing umpire? I don't know.
Is that your fault? What's your problem, man?
What's your
What's your problem?
What's your
I'm
problem?
doing my job here, okay? Enough. Shut your mouth now if you want to continue this game. Okay? I'm playing this for last 12 years. Nobody ever questioned me like that, okay? I played with you. Ask him how many times he played with me.
If you're playing with
Okay? So stop. You can protest, that's fine. But this is too much. This is crossing the boundary, okay?
Okay.
No, Vamsi, tell him. He wants to give me lollipop and he wants to feed me. Listen, no, he was telling me constantly. That's why for the last 3 balls. Okay? This is not the proper way.
He's such,
I didn't say anything.